Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing retirement visas, and we're discussing longer-term retirement visas. The reason I thought of making this video is because I was reading a recent article from the Patia Mail, that's patiamail.com. Article is titled, "Elite Card is Winning the Battle of Thailand's Long-Stay Visas." I would say that I would take a more nuanced approach with respect to this title. I don't agree with the title of this 100%. I would say elite cards are in demand. There's no doubt about that. But the notion they're winning the battle of long-stay visas, I don't think that's quite right. But there was a small excerpt in here, and I urge folks who are watching this video, go read that article in detail. But there was a small excerpt in here I thought was worth quoting. Quoting directly, "Attempts to extend beyond 1 year at a time the visas and extensions of stay for retirees over 50 years and foreigners with Thai spouses or dependents have also stalled." What are we talking about here? Well, there have been initiatives for a number of years that I can remember personally, and I've heard about this from other folks who've been here far longer than I have, that, yeah, many times there have been sort of requests made of the Immigration Bureau to allow retirement visas to be issued, for example, for 2 years as opposed to 1-year extensions. And yeah, that just has never gained any traction for one reason or another. I think one of the big reasons is that, the Immigration Bureau wants to continue to reassess folks' financials, basically make sure that they do indeed have their retirement financials in order. And really, this isn't that far out of line with, for example, this current LTR visa, so-called long-term residence visas, which doesn't really provide residence. There's ongoing scrutiny associated with that, as we've done other videos on this channel talking about how ongoing Revenue Department scrutiny as well as immigration scrutiny are part and parcel with that visa. Not really all that different with respect to the Thai retirement visas. My personal opinion, the O retirement visa remains kind of the staple, if you will, the kind of bedrock long-term retirement visa here in Thailand, and I think it will continue to do so. So the thing to take away from this video, in my opinion, is, yeah, okay, O retirement visas sort of are what they are. They're not really going anywhere. They're not really going to be extended much further than what they currently are now. OA visas in the past, if anything, their length has kind of been truncated. There was a time when you could use an OA retirement visa. If you used it sort of correctly, you could effectively get 2 years out of it. That's kind of gone by the wayside. Now we're really only looking at 1 year at a time on the OA. But as far as the O retirement visa, it remains kind of the bedrock retirement visa. And yeah, I don't see the expiration of it being extended anytime soon. But that said, quite honestly, if you're talking about affordability, at the end of the day, the O retirement visa, or the OA to some extent, but the O retirement visa, especially for extensions, remains the most affordable methodology of maintaining long-term status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.